Jai Hind aspirants, welcome to Combined Defense Services Examination, the exclusive channel for the aspirants who are preparing for Combined Defense Services and want to be an officer in the armed forces and serve nation. So in this video we will discuss syllabus for CDS exam that is conducted by UPSC twice every year. So before discussing the syllabus for the exam, let's understand the paper pattern. On the same day of your CDS exam, you will have three papers. The first paper will be of English, which will be of 100 marks, and the time allotted to you will be 2 hours. The next exam will be of General Studies, which will also be of 100 marks, and the time allotted to you will be 2 hours. The third exam will be of Elementary Mathematics, which will also be of 100 marks, and the time allotted to you will be 2 hours. So the candidates who have applied for OTA will have to just sit for English and General Studies exam, and the other candidates will have to sit for Elementary Mathematics exam as well. So now let's discuss about the syllabus for English exam. In the English exam, the questions are asked from the topics, namely reading comprehension, in which you are given a paragraph, you have to read the paragraph and answer the questions accordingly. The next topic is fill in the blanks, in which you have to choose the most appropriate option from the options given to you. The third topic is jumbled sentences, in which the first and the last sentence is given to you and you have to arrange the rest of the sentences to make a complete sentence which makes sense. The fourth topic is vocabulary, in which questions related to synonyms and antonyms are asked. The next topic is spotting errors, in which you have to spot grammatical errors. The last topic which is asked in this English exam is idioms and phrases. Now let's discuss the syllabus for General Studies. In the General Studies exam, the questions from history, geography, Indian polity, Indian economy, environment and ecology, science and technology, current affairs, basic knowledge about military and paramilitary forces are asked. Among all these topics, science and technology is the most important topic, as most of the questions are asked from science and technology. So if you are preparing for this exam, please make sure that you pay utmost attention to physics, chemistry and biology while preparing for this exam. Also, you cannot miss out on current affairs, as many of the questions in this exam are asked from current affairs as well. So make sure that you read current affairs of last at least 8 to 10 months before appearing for this exam. Next comes the syllabus for elementary mathematics. So this is the last exam on the day of your CDS exam, and the topics that will be asked in this exam are arithmetic, number system, time and distance, time and work, percentage, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, mensuration, statistics, probability. So if you have applied for Indian Military Academy, Air Force Academy or Naval Academy, please make sure that you study all these topics very carefully so that you get sailed through this exam with flying colors. So this was the syllabus for CDS exam. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, as this is an exclusive channel for the aspirants who are preparing for armed forces. And also, if you have any query, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you and Jai Hind.